So today we're working on a 2011 CRZ. Headlight bulbs went out. There's some special bulb and you have to pull the bumper off to get these headlight assemblies out to do it. We'll see how far we get and I'll cut you in as I go along. So yeah, all these clips have to come off. All the clips at the bottom have to come off just to get these, to replace these headlight bulbs. Insane. So you have 2 screws on the side, and if I was gonna guess, I don't know what he got there, 4. It was missing a couple, 6, 7, 8, 10 at the bottom. These 5, couple screws, couple bolts from here. But yeah, that's insane. You got to remove the bumper. So I want to say they wanted well over $700 to do this job, which is insane. I know the bulbs are expensive. They're $150 each. Maybe it was $1,500. I don't remember what he wanted. I'll ask him later. Maybe put it in the comments. But anyway, the assemblies have to come off. You have to do that. You have to get the bumper off. And this is where we're at. So we'll be pulling these. O'Reilly's has the bulbs for $150 each. And they're a lifetime warranty. Or you get the ones from the dealer for $300 each. And I don't know what the warranty is. Alright, so got this headlight assembly out. You have a bolt here, the first one on the fender, and one through here through the body. And you have 3 wiring harnesses, and then all that has to come out and get pulled. Next we'll be taking this cover off and swapping out the bulb. Alright. So this one drops back in. These hold this down. This is the one that was out. Replaced them both.